Okay, so in this next part on how to create your Wix website, we're gonna learn about this. Okay everyone, so in this Wix tutorial on how to make your own Wix website, part number 4, we're gonna learn how we can add a section like this. So in Wix they call it strip. So in this tutorial we're gonna learn how we can delete a strip, how we can add our own strip with a template, and also we can create a new strip from a blank section. Okay, so if this is the first time you're here, so this is a playlist on how you can create your own Wix website. So if you want to start from scratch, you can go to the playlist in the description or click on the top right corner on this playlist. Alright, so first we're gonna go and delete this strip. So to do that, we're just gonna go and right click on delete, and this will delete this strip. Okay, so as you can see, we now have this empty space. So now we need to move this section up. Okay, so we're gonna go down to this one. We're just gonna mark this section, and we're gonna click on this one, hold the mouse in and drag it up like this, and add it where you want to have it. So let's say I want to have it here. Then we're gonna go down and we can drag this up as well. Like that. So now we don't have any empty space. So this is how you can delete the strip on Wix. So to add a new strip, we're gonna go to the left sidebar and click on this plus sign. In the menu, we're gonna click on this strip. So now we have these strip templates. We have about, contact, welcome, services, team, testimonials, and classic. So on the classic we find this empty template. We're gonna use that as well, but for now we're gonna use a template with content. So let's say we want to add team. Just choose the one you want. So let's say I want to have this one. Just click on it and drag it out to your Wix website and release. Like that. It may take some seconds before it will end up on your website. So now we can see that we have this space between this image and this image. Just click on this drag button and move it up so they are next to each other. Alright, and right here we can also add more space right here if you like. And if you want to have more space, you can just highlight this section and click on this button and move it down like that. Okay, so now you have this template. So now we can customize this section. So you got your title. You can just click on this text, click on edit text, and choose your own text if you like. So I'm just gonna type in our staff. And also you got text settings. You can change themes. So heading 2, you can also choose heading 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you can choose a paragraph 1, 2, and 3. And then we got fonts. So to change the font, we need to highlight this text, and now we can change the font. Just click on this drop down arrow and choose the font you want. Alright, so let's say I want to have this one. Click on it and this will change the font. So now you can choose the best font for your website. So I'm gonna change this to maybe this one, Playfair Display. So just play around until you find the perfect font. Then we have font size, if you want to change the size. And we have bold, italic, underline. You can change the color. So I'm gonna choose black. And we can also add highlight. So this will create a background. So I'm gonna choose white. And if you like, you can always link this text. Just add a link. So let's say I want to link this to a page where we can read more about our staff. Just choose the page. So just choose your staff page. Right now we don't have it, but let's say we have it and this is our staff page. Choose it. Click on current window and click on done. So now we have a link on this text. So there are a lot of settings you can do here. So you can just play around. And same thing right here. We can change the image. Just click on the image. Click on change image. And this will open up your media library. And now you can upload a media from your computer and add your own images. Alright. So it's the same thing. Just change all of these images. And then just go down, you can change the text. You can change the social bar. So if I click on social bar, set social links. So we can click on add icons. So let's say I want to have a Facebook. Just click on this Facebook icon. Click on add to gallery. Alright. Choose this Facebook icon and add your Facebook link to your Facebook profile. Just click on this link icon. So choose web address and paste the link to your Facebook profile. So I'm just gonna go to Facebook. And this is my profile. Just copy this link in the browser. Go back and paste it right here. Because this is linked to an external website, we're gonna choose new window. After that, just click on done. And click on done. Now we have two social media icons right here under this staff profile. Okay. And of course we can always click on layouts. We can choose icon size. We can choose spacing. So how does the bar look? Horizontal or vertical? Like that. So I'm gonna choose horizontal. Then I'm gonna click on X. And here you can add animation. So bouncing, gliding, and so on. Same thing as we covered before. So I'm gonna choose none. Then I'm gonna click on X. And then we have a paragraph. You can just click on edit text. And now you can change these text about this staff member. And same thing here, we have themes, fonts, font size, and all of these basic settings. Okay, so you have a lot of templates in Wix. So this is one of them. It's quite basic. You just click on the item and change it to a new image, new text, to a new social media icon and things like that. Okay? So this is how you can add a strip template. You can also add a blank strip. So to do that, we're just gonna go to the plus sign in the left sidebar. We're gonna go to strip and we're gonna click on classic. So now I have this white classic option. Click on that and drag it to the website. Alright, so now we have this white blank strip. So we can always make it bigger by clicking on this stretch. Like that. So the first thing you can do if you want to have a background, you can just click on change strip background. So here you have selected background. You can use one of these. We can choose a color. We can add color by hex code, RGB, HSB. Alright. So if I want to have hex code, I'm just gonna go right here and change it right here. So to add a hex code, we can just open up a browser to find great colors. We can search for color palette, hit enter, and choose this one, colors.co. And then click on this one, start the generator. Okay, so then you get these colors. So these colors goes well together. If you want to have another color, just click on this one, generate. And this will give you 5 new colors. Or you can just click on space, like this. If you find the colors you want to save, we can just click on this one, toggle lock. So let's say I want to have these 2. Now we can generate more colors and they will save these colors. So let's say I want to have this and click on space. Now we have 5 colors. So to get this hex code, we're just gonna go and click on this one, copy hex, go back to your Wix editor, and now we can paste the hex code right here, like that. And now you can see that we have the same color. If you want to save this, you can always click on export, and you can get this information in one of these export options. Okay. So this is how you can add colors as a background. So now we're gonna click on this one, add, like that. So now we have this color in our strip. And also you can also add images if you like. You can upload an image, or you can choose a free image from Wix. So let's say I want to have this one. Click on change background. And now we have a background image instead. Or you can click on video. So you can upload your own video or choose a free Wix video. So let's say I want to have this one. Click on the video. Click on change background. And let's go and click on preview. And now you can see that we have this background video in this strip. Okay, let's go back to the editor. Click on the strip. Click on change strip background. Okay, so now you know how to change color, image and video. Okay, so let's go and create a strip with an image right here. So we're gonna add 2 columns. And here we're gonna add join us with a paragraph and a button. And this button will take us to a page with join us information. All right, so let's do that. So first I will go and just remove this background to color white, like so. After that, I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna right click in the strip. I'm gonna go to this one, add column. Okay, so now we have 2 columns with the same size. Now I will click on this one, layouts. So here we can change column proportions. So we got equal, and we got 33 and 66, 25 and 75, 20, 80, 40, 60. So I'm gonna use this one. And I want to reverse this layout. So just click on reverse, like that. Now I'm gonna click on X. So first we're gonna add an image. So right click, click on change column background. I'm gonna use an image. I'm gonna click on image. Okay, so I'm gonna search for businessman. On Wix, but you can upload your own if you like. So I'm gonna click on this image. Then I'm gonna click on change background, like that. So now we have the image in place. Now I want to have a different color on this column. I'm gonna right click, click on change column background. I'm gonna click on color. So now I will go to this one, add color, and we're gonna choose hex color. We're gonna go to colors.co, and I'm gonna choose this color. Copy hex, go back to your Wix site, and paste it right here. Like so. And click on add. Alright. I'm gonna exit all of these. So now we have a background color. Now we want to have a title. Just click on the plus sign, go to text, choose heading 2, add it right here. Alright, click on the title, click on edit text, and I'm gonna change this text to join us, like that. And I'm gonna remove this number. Okay, so I want to center this text. I'm gonna go to alignment and choose center, like that. And I want to change the color to white, so I need to highlight this text, click on color and choose white. I want to change the font. I'm gonna click on this arrow, make sure to highlight the text, click on arrow and choose your font. So I'm gonna choose this one, Open Sans Consensed, and I'm gonna change the font size like that. So when you're satisfied, just click on X. So now I'm gonna go and add a paragraph. Go to the plus sign, choose text and choose paragraphs. Choose a paragraph you want to have. So let's say I want to have this one. Just drag it to this column. And I'm gonna make it larger. I'm gonna copy this text, but you will write your own. I'm just gonna paste it right here. After that, I'm gonna highlight the text. I'm gonna click on color and change it to white, like that. I'm gonna make font size bigger, like that. And I'm gonna change the font. So this one, Open Sans Consensed, like that. And I'm gonna make the text bigger. I'm gonna choose 21. Alright, so when you're satisfied, just click on X. So now we want to add a button. Just choose add. Click on button. So now you can choose the button you want to have. I will choose this one. Just drag it to your column. Click on the button and click on change text and icon. I'm gonna change this to learn more, like that. So now we want to add a link to this page, join us. We don't have that page, so I'm just gonna go and create it. I'm gonna click on X. I'm gonna go to menus and pages right here in the left menu. I'm gonna click on add page. I'm just gonna name this join us and click on done. I'm gonna move this down to right before about. Okay, I'm gonna click on X and I'm gonna go to page, join us, and change it to home. We're gonna go to our new strip, click on learn more, click on change text and icon, click on this link icon, and now we're gonna choose page. I'm gonna choose my new page, this one, join us. How does it open? Current window, and I'm gonna click on done. I'm gonna click on X. So let's go and have a look. Click on preview, like that. So now we have a new nice section with an image and this join us title and a paragraph with the learn more button. So if I click on this button, this will take us to this Join Us page. Alright. Okay, so let's go back to editor. Go to home page. So the last thing I'm gonna cover is the scroll effect. So we can click on, let's say this one, this column, Join Us, and we find this one, background scroll effect. Click on that. So here you can choose scroll effect. So you can choose fade in or fade out. So I'm gonna click on fade in, click on X. Then I'm gonna do the same thing with this image. Click on the image and then choose this one, background scroll effect. And now you find this one, choose scroll effect. You can do parallax, reveal, 3D. So I'm gonna just click on parallax, like that. Click on X. So to see this, we need to go to preview. So just click on preview and just test this out. If I scroll down, you see that this one fades in and this one is parallax. Okay. Okay everyone, so that's it for this part number 4 on how you can delete the strip, add the strip template, or create your own strip like this with this image and background color with this text and button. Okay everyone, so let's go to the next part on how to build your own Wix website for beginners. Okay everyone, so this is the end of this part. I hope everything went well. If you didn't, you can just comment below. If you like this one, give thumbs up. Now let's go to the next part. Just click on this image to go to the next part. So see you there. Take care and bye.